is Cecil B. Moneygetter, host of Money Talks, a new financial news upload that is laser focused on digital finance, cryptocurrencies, robotics, electric vehicles, stocks, the cannabis industry, and much, much more. Tune in and join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern on our Information Meets Execution YouTube channel as we bring you financial news uploads, one trending topic at a time. And don't forget to stay listening, because money talks. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Today is August 19th. And you're watching Money Talk. First up in trending news, did Elon Musk donate a Tesla Cybertruck to a Russian general? Well, Tesla Inc. CEO Elon Musk on Sunday denied donating a Cybertruck to Russian leader Ramzan Kadyrov, but failed to provide an explanation on how the ally to Russian President Vladimir Putin gained access to the vehicle when its production is limited to the U.S. Are you seriously so retarded that you think I donated a Cybertruck to a Russian general? That's amazing, Musk wrote. Author Seth Abramson, after the latter alleged that Musk was providing vehicles ready for military use to sanction enemies of America. The allegations come on the heels of Ramzan Kadyrov, head of the Chechen Republic and a colonel general in the Russian military, sharing a video of him driving the Cybertruck. Kadyrov shared a video of him driving the Cybertruck with a machine gun mounted on the roof on a message app, Telegram, on Saturday. The leader also invited Musk to the Chechnya. Based on such excellent characteristics, the Cybertruck will soon be sent to the SVO zone, Russian-Ukraine war zone, where it will be in demand under appropriate conditions. I'm sure this beast will bring a lot of benefits to our soldiers, Kadyrov said on Telegram in Russian, hinting at the use of Tesla vehicles in the country's war against Ukraine. Elon, thank you. Come to Grozny. I will receive you as my dearest guest. I don't think that our Russian foreign ministry will be against such a trip. And of course, we are waiting for your new developments which will contribute to the completion of the special military operation, he added. The Cybertruck is the latest production vehicle from Musk's Tesla. The vehicle is manufactured only at Tesla Gigafactory in Texas and is currently sold only within the U.S. though the company has said that it will start delivering the stainless steel truck to Canada later this year. The timeline for availability in other parts of the globe is unknown. Though Musk has denied donating the truck to Kadyrov, the CEO didn't clarify how the leader might have gained access to the truck showcased in the video shared on Telegram. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel. Up next, in technology news, AMD expands its AI capabilities, acquires ZT Systems in major $4.9 billion deal. Advanced Micro Devices Inc. stock is trading higher Monday after the chip designer forged an agreement to acquire ZT Systems. AMD agreed to acquire ZT Systems, a provider of AI infrastructure for hyperscale computing companies, in a cash and stock transaction valued at $4.9 billion, including an earn-out payment of up to $400 million. AMD expects that the transaction be accretive on a adjusted basis by the end of 2025. ZT Systems will join the AMD Data Center Solutions Business Group. ZT CEO Frank Zhang will lead the manufacturing business, and ZT President Doug Hong will lead the design and customer enablement teams. AMD will seek a strategic partner to acquire ZT Systems' U.S. data center infrastructure manufacturing business. AMD has invested over $1 billion to expand the AMD AI ecosystem and boost its AI software capabilities. AMD Chair and CEO Dr. Lisa Su, ZT adds world-class systems design and rack-scale solutions expertise to significantly strengthen our data center AI systems and customer enablement capabilities. This acquisition also builds on the investments we have made to accelerate our AI hardware and software roadmaps. AMD held $5.34 billion in cash and equivalents as of June 29th of 2024. JP Morgan analyst Harlan Sur expects AMD to grow data center GPU revenue by over $5 billion in fiscal 2024, courtesy of market share win in server and PC CPUs. AMD stock gained 37% in the last 12 months. Investors can gain exposure to the stock through SPDR S&P 500 and iShares Core S&P 500 ETF. Price actions. At the last check on Monday, AMD shares were trading higher by 2.55% at $152.35 pre-market. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel. Last but not least, in cryptocurrency news, institutional Bitcoin ETF investors display diamond hands despite market volatility, says Bitwise CIO. Institutional investors are showing resilience in the face of market volatility, according to Matt Haugen, Chief Investment Officer at Bitwise Invest. In a fresh analysis of quarter two Bitcoin 13F filings, Haugen highlighted a 30% increase in institutional involvement with Bitcoin ETFs, even as cryptocurrency prices faced downward pressure during the quarter. This surge in filings from 1,479 in quarter one to 1,924 in quarter two underscores the growing adoption of Bitcoin ETFs by institutional players. Institutions are still coming, Haugen noted, pointing out that the consistent increase in filings suggests that institutional interest in Bitcoin remains robust. Despite the challenging market conditions in quarter two, a significant portion of institutional investors maintained and even increased their Bitcoin ETF holdings, a sign that these investors are not easily swayed by short-term volatility. According to Haugen, 44% of institutional investors who held Bitcoin ETFs in quarter one added to their positions in quarter two, while 22% held steady. Only 21% reduced their positions and 13% exited entirely. If you thought institutional investors were panicked at the first sight of volatility, the data suggests otherwise, Haugen commented. They're pretty steady. Hedge funds continue to be prominent players in the Bitcoin ETF space, with major names like Millennium, Schoenfield, Boothbay, and Capula among the top holders. However, Haugen also noted that presence of diverse mix of advisors, family offices, and select institutional investors, reflecting the broad appeal of Bitcoin ETFs across different types of investors. This steady institutional participation and the overall increase in ETF filings provide a strong indication of the enduring interest in Bitcoin among large-scale investors, even in uncertain market conditions. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, the role of institutional investors as diamond hands, a term used to describe those who hold onto assets despite volatility, could be pivotal in stabilizing and potentially driving future growth. Looking ahead, industry stakeholders and investors are expected to gather insights on these trends at upcoming Benzinga Future of Digital Assets event on November 19th. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel. On our Information Meets Execution YouTube channel, you can also check out the 734 Listening Library YouTube channel for self-help shorts and audiobooks. Follow us on Instagram at 734 Miscellaneous LLC to continue our journey of growth and success together. I'll see you at the top. Holla.